I just want to thank everyone for coming out here. It means a lot. I think it's really important that we all interact with each other. I've been doing this some time. A lot of you guys know me. Some of you don't. The more we communicate, the more we work with each other. Everyone thinks we're, competitors, which we are, but the more we embrace each other and the more we help out each other, the further this industry is getting, as far as pricing. I mean, I used to do things really cheap, and I remember as I got better, I would go to write that bill, and I'd be ready to write it out. I am saying writing, now we don't write them, and I'd always drop the price. And it was because I had this feeling inside like I was getting better, and it took me less time and this and that. And I guess I didn't see the value in myself. I felt like that I wasn't worth it, I guess. And then one day, and a lot has to do with, finally starting to network with guys. I mean, when I was a district manager for Dentless, all the guys were on doording.com, and I wouldn't go on there because they were on there. And I'm like, those are my guys. I'm not going to go on there. Then I left Dent Wizard. I don't think I traveled a couple of years, did Hale. I don't think I talked to many Dent guys for 10 years after that. I mean, maybe 2 or 3 Dent guys. I stayed in my own little thing. And now that I've opened myself up, things happen with me, And one of the things, the commitments I made was I was done feeling guilty of something that, I did in the time it took me from the tools that we have, It's getting better and better. So, now if I can do something, I might have done $50 an hour before. And now if I do $1,000 an hour, I'm not gonna feel sorry, that's what it's worth, So I just think it's really important. I just wanna thank everyone for coming. And start interacting with one another and keep making things better.
Just want to say thank you to John at RPM Dent Repair for hosting the first East Coast meetup and allowing the guys like me to mingle inside of his brand new PDR shop. Absolutely outstanding. By far one of the best shops I've visited. So there have been a wave of meetups happening all across the US where skilled technicians or anyone interested in PDR come together and share tips and tricks anywhere from customer relations to repair technique. There is definitely a need for more networking events. Not to bore you, but my first 8 years into this career, I cannot recall an enjoyable conversation with another tech outside of the company that employed me. Not that they didn't encourage it, but the daily routine made it seem as my enemy was the local Dent guy. And as years go by, my actions became habit. I admit, I was narrow-minded. Fast forwarding to now, I'm a big advocate for building relationships and helping people. Networking in general helps expand one's effectiveness in an industry. But let's say you can't make it to an event like this. Join a Facebook group that you can ask questions and or share knowledge to help members. All I am saying is try to contribute in some way. Help our industry grow awareness. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.